You searched how to buy shares of Subsea.OL. Subsea.OL is an offshore engineering and subsea construction company that trades on Euronext under the ticker SUBC.OL. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to make a purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker SUBC.OL to find the listing. Select the result that matches Subsea.OL to locate the correct share. Open the Subsea.OL asset page to view basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker both match before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your Subsea.OL position will appear in your portfolio after the order is executed, and you can monitor it there. A soft link to eToro is available in the description if you want to review the platform.